In previous videos, we've seen how we can submit our database over the internet to generate report cards online. This is simply by going to Options, Database, and Submit Database. You have to be connected to the internet. So in this video, I'll be introducing the new online feature called Report Card Codes. These report card codes are basically codes that are generated with the online report cards. So when the report cards are generated online, these codes are used to download the report cards. So we're going to assume that these report cards have been generated online. Each report card will have its unique code. So to begin, I'm going to select a class, and below we can see the list of report card codes that have been generated for that class. 10 in total. So to access each of the report cards, we are going to need each of the codes for that particular report card. So at the bottom, we have other features. The first one here is send RC code as SMS. This allows you to send a code to a selected student's parent's number. So selecting a student would load up the parent's phone. So as you can see, I've selected this student and the parent's phone number has been loaded. Alternatively, if I would like to send this code to a different phone number, I'll just type it in like that and click on send. So this will send a text message with the code to this phone number. The next function allows you to export the whole list to a specified email address. By default, your email address will be loaded in. Again, you can change this email address to whichever email you want and click on export list to email. The last function is for printing the list. This will generate the list, which can then be printed out and given out as slips. The report card codes are displayed as slips, so this can then be printed out and cut out into little slips. Each slip contains the student information, the code, and where to download the report card. So as stated at the top of the page, to print you simply press Ctrl P, and this will give you a preview of the page you're about to print. So as we can see in the print preview, we have our 11 codes all displayed in slips. So this can be printed out and cut out into little slips. Using Chrome, you can also save this as PDF by clicking Save. This is a plugin in the Chrome browser. This allows you to download a PDF format of that file. And we have a file here. And here is our PDF version with the codes in there. Alternatively, you can just select your printer and print the page right away. The default online report card process publishes all the report cards by sending an SMS with a direct link to parents. It has a restriction list feature where you can specify phone numbers to exclude from publishing to. With the report card codes feature, report cards are not sent to parents automatically, but they will be available online for download. These codes will give access to downloading these report cards at any point in time. So to use this feature, a school would need to opt in into this feature. This can be done directly from the desktop software or by contacting the support team. Also note that you're required to sign in to access the report card codes page. You simply put in your email address and your password and click on login. If you don't already have an account, you can click on create an account and fill up the form to get an account.